Today we're removing the front bumper, grille and fog lights on the Mini Countryman. Now you can watch me doing the job, but I can very quickly just tell you exactly what you need to look out for because you're probably just looking to get on with the job. You do need to remove the grille. There's a T25 Torx on both sides behind the grille. These wheel arch trims look a bit daunting to remove, but there's 1, 2, 3, a maximum of 4 clips that you can remove, and then there's another T25 Torx behind here. The clips look like this, and all you're doing is you're pushing this piece of plastic all the way through to release the clip. You don't need to remove the headlights. There's another T25 Torx under here, and depending on who's been at the car last, these clips under here should be joined to the wheel arch liner. On this car they aren't, but you would need to remove them normally. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the middle underneath we've got 3 more clips like this. And that's basically everything, just to take it off quickly. That's the information you need. Right, so I'll start with the bit that I think people are going to struggle with the most. These clips on the wheel arch trim. So using a tool that's small enough to fit through the clip, push the centres all the way through. You'll need to try and find these afterwards. We've got a clip missing here, and I'm probably going to leave that one. You'll want to find the centres after so that you can obviously refit the clips. And then what I've done is I've taken a larger tool rather than using a pry tool and just shoved it in the middle of the clip. That worked as well. Not just to pull the clip out. So now this wheel arch trim is clipped in, I think, in 3 positions on the bumper, and then there's a big clip going into the wing somewhere here. So you see these 3 came straight off, and even the one behind has come off. Well, I think it might have. Yeah, so there's the large clip that goes into the bodywork, and that's it. You don't need to remove that any further. You've got access to the T25 Torx screw here. 8mm. And then the trim clip at the bottom. Sometimes it can be easier to just pop these up a little bit with a screwdriver first. Depends how stubborn they are. So I'm just removing the T25 from behind the wheel arch trim. Same underneath, remove the T25 Torx. and if you need to remove all the clips, this particular tool is Bojo tip 19R406, which sort of surrounds the clip better so that they don't snap off. And then the same for the 3 clips in the middle I've already shown you. So now for removing the grill, I've got 4 10mm bolts on top. And now the bottom of the grill is just clipped into the bumper. It can take a bit of pull to remove, but they're pretty good clips. And you'll see we haven't broken any of the clips. So 2 more T25 torque screws uncovered. So now the bumper is pretty much loose. You'll just need to get to the Foglight wiring. So that's the side light bulb and connector for the Foglight. And now to remove the Foglight assembly, got 3 T20 torque screws. One at the top, and 2 at the bottom. So there you have it, Foglight removed. That's the front bumper, grille and foglights removed. I do hope this video has helped. If it has, please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel. Thank you.